What's going on, guys, boys and girls? Welcome again to another video of the web scraping tutorial with Python, BeautifulSoup, and requests. We're gonna use the same script with the classifieds, and I hope this will be the last on this playlist. I'm gonna show you the HTML and CSS elements so you can learn and do a scraper like this on any web page you like. By now, we should already know what this block is right here. So I suggest you go to the first or second videos, they got it over there explaining what this does. If not, the GitHub should be very clear on what it does. Just look at the readme. Today I'm gonna focus on this part. We're gonna use the BeautifulSoup extraction, and we're gonna call the soup on a response content with the parser. This is in every scraping tutorial you see this, because we're getting accessing the BeautifulSoup module for Python. So we're gonna try to find all within that table structure. We're gonna find that class. Okay, so how I know which is that class? Okay, so we're gonna go and then gonna go right here. I just put Alt and Tab at the same time just to switch it, and we're gonna go and right click on what we want, which is this title, and we're gonna inspect the element. That was a right click, inspect. It shows here how to do it with the Ctrl+Shift+I, does it too, and then got it right here. So we got that reference, and we also got the reference here. So that would be the first TD class, would be this one, and that would be the job anchor list. And then for every item within the job anchor list, we're gonna go and find this other class and get the text, which would be the title. Then we got the job URL. We just concatenating that general URL and the get. So we get a nice URL that is appended within the Python script. So if we don't have it in our job list, we append it and we print that it was appended. That would be for debugging. If you want, you can eliminate that part. Same with the multi-page. There's no big difference here. A good idea would be to make this another function and apply them as a function so we don't have to write it twice. But it works as it is, I'm not gonna even bother. And then we got that. Should be already explained. Okay, so I'm gonna close this and just how to get it with the HTML. Gonna right click, inspect that element, and then get that class. This is gonna be different depending on how the site is. If you got a site that got queries, jQueries, or stuff that run within the same page, it's gonna be a bit more tough. But for this, it works. Well, I hope you have a beautiful day and hope to see you soon in another video.